Hello everybody, thank you for joining the channel. I appreciate you watching. I got 15 BOLOs, summer BOLOs that sell real fast for summer, and they're all in the short category, shorts for summer. And I'm excited to show them to you. And again, thank you for everybody that's been subscribing and giving me some good comments. I really appreciate y'all. I'm going to keep coming in with all these things that I know to help you grow your reselling business. And we'll just get right into it. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all of y'all. Thank you. Up this summer or even right now, they're Levi's Silver Tab jean shorts. These were made in the early 80s and 90s because I think, if I'm not mistaken, 2000 was the last year that they made them in the USA. So yeah, they go for 39, well, 49.88, and they're very, very good to pick up. Here's a tab right here, and I think I'd like to show you this right here. This right here sometimes comes out in orange, and a lot of new resellers think, for whatever reason, I don't know, that they're not, you know, original Levi's from the 80s and 90s, but they are. So I would pick these up even if you see them in orange. This tag right here, red or orange, you'll be fine. So pick these up. We can be on the lookout for it. These are Patagonia shorts made in the USA, baggy, lime neon green from the 90s. And kind of look like this. Of course, I have that Patagonia logo right there. A lot of people don't realize, and I found out that the inseam, if they're shorter than 5 inches, it goes for more than this 33.49. For whatever reason, they just you'll get more money for those. Another thing I found out, that if it's wall colors, like the colors are real wild, they go for more. So those are some little facts that I can tell you about. But yeah, keep an eye on these Patagonia uh, shorts. Loren Polo shorts. These are mesh shorts, and they're an awesome size 2XL. So that's great for this summer. And also, when you see this bigger pony right here, let's see, like that. That's why it brings in this $49. Okay. So when you're out there thrifting and excuse me, I'm sorry, you're thrifting and you see that bigger pony like that, yeah, pick those up. And these are called drawstring. The tags looks like this. And another thing, mesh shorts are super popular. People, I don't know, they just love them, whatever reason. And that 2XL, it just helps sell the whole deal. Men's beige cargo shorts, very unassuming. I mean, people would just pass right by this. They don't recognize his name right here, and neither did I. And I've been thrifting 2 years, and I started finding out that that's a very, very popular brand of shorts that people love, and they'll pay up for these. So keep an eye on these Jane Pierce shorts. They look so unassuming. I mean, people don't even know sometimes that you can go right past them. Sorry, my audio went out on this, but right here on these diesel jeans shorts, these are definitely a pickup. You cannot go wrong with these. I've had some tremendous luck buying these, and I've found them several times, and they sell pretty fast. So this one right here goes for $59.99, and man, this is definitely a pickup. If you find these, put them in the cart. These are just awesome brand. Had some tremendous luck with these. Go jean shorts. I know that when I started, I would pass these by. My goodness, I couldn't, man, I didn't have any way to check them out too fast, so I would go for brands that I knew. But yeah, if you're new like I was, I want you not to pass these, okay? These are going to make you some money. They're baggy, And you can put on there their Y2K. That helps when you put that on there. And embroider pockets helps a lot. The size helps a lot, but pretty much you'll sell them anyway. So remember this brand, Janko jeans shorts, and that's the embroidery right there. Brunello Cucinelli men's Bermuda shorts. And to be honest with you, almost everything that they make, you're going to be able to sell. But with summer coming up, right now I'm doing a short, shorts, bolos. Be on the lookout for this. That's what the tag looks like right there. You can't go wrong, guys. Make sure you write this one down. New resellers, it'll pay off. If you're a new reseller, it's not just Polo Ralph Lauren, but this right here, Aztec, Southwestern, anything Aztec, put it in the cart and I would check it because, man, I have had the best luck selling Aztec shirts, uh, jeans like this, and everything that I've found has literally sold. If not fast, pretty fast. So I want to mention that to y'all, that not to pass up these Aztec shorts. I had to include these because of the Aztec. People love it. Shorts. These are a very good brand to pick up. And the tag looks like this right here. And the front looks like that. Super brand to pick up. You can't go wrong with almost anything in shorts with John Elliott. I would pick up. Be on the lookout for this brand right here. To be on the lookout for Fall Raven. I don't know how to pronounce that exactly, but here's what they look like, and we'll look at the tag. These are cargos. Here we go. Here's the tag. Uh, remember this brand right here. It's a very, very good brand. Fall Raven. There's another tag. Rafa shorts, tennis shorts. And these are the higher end brand of Nike. Remember that name, Nike Rafa. And when you see this logo right here, that's when you can pick those up and you're going to make a lot of extra money, okay? Keep that in mind. Sometimes you'll go through the thrifts and you'll see the swash. But if you kind of keep an eye and make sure it has that, man, you want to get those for sure. And here's what it looks like. See if I can blow it up. There you go. When you see that right there, that's the Rafa brand. Makes it more valuable, okay? So, here. This one in particular is a knit houndtooth men's shorts. But believe it or not, a lot of people don't recognize this brand, Todd Snyder. And keep this on your list. Now, these are brand new, right? 119, but they go from 40 to 60, 70. It's a wonderful brand to pick up. And this is what the tag looks like right here. This is a quality, I would call it a designer brand that a lot of people just don't recognize, And here's if you would buy it brand new, that's what you would get. Here we've got black military shorts. Yeah, they look plain, but These go for a lot of money. Even used ones can go up for $100. So here's what the tag looks like. Fear of God right there. It's actually an awesome brand to be on the lookout for. The tag right there. Medium. And just super unassuming, but these hold their value even when they're used. Brakes. Fatigue shorts. Olive green. I'm going to say these is like a quiet luxury brand. They're really, really nice. A lot of people just pass right by these. Don't recognize the brand. And the tag looks like this. Let's see. Well, there you go. Here's a tag. Drake's. That's a definitely pick up. It's a high-end British menswear. And a lot of folks just don't recognize it. They'll pass right by it. It's not flashy, but it's worth some good money. So that's another one to keep on the list when you're out there thrifting. Be on the list. Scotch and soda. Bermuda short jeans. I've only been able to sell these twice, but every time I've sold them, they sell for good money and they sell pretty fast. People love these. And I don't know too much about these, but I just had them twice and they've sold really good. So I'm always on the lookout for Scotch and soda jean shorts. Here's what that tag looks like. Let's see. I guess it's the best one I can show you there. It's Scotch and soda brand. And it has different names. But keep this on the list of BOLOs to be on the lookout for. You'll be pleasantly surprised.